Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable two-step verification on WhatsApp. Now let's begin. Simply open up the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. In case you have not installed it, do install it and log in right now. Now let's simply focus on how to enable two-step verification to add an extra layer of security. At the top right, here are these three buttons, and the rightmost section there's these three dots, also known as More. Simply click on it. Now this will pop up. There are many options available like group, broadcast and such, but simply go to settings. Once you're in the settings page, don't look anywhere else, just hit on accounts right here. Now among all these options, as you guys can see, there's two-step verification. Simply click on it. Now something like this will open up. What you need to do is simply hit on this turn on button right here. Now something like this will open up. Simply enter the PIN of your choice. It's gonna ask you again to confirm your PIN. Enter the PIN once again. And once everything's done, simply hit on save. Well guys, that's it. That's how you enable two-step verification on WhatsApp. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.